What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel.
You're a star. I just want to show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. I'm not done.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 3 of my moving series. I want to redo my intro. I'm always redoing my intro because I always end up hating it. I want to redo my intro because I felt like I was talking like really low for some reason and there wasn't a whole lot of excitement. This is me redoing it. So welcome back. Welcome to episode 3. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on a moving series, okay? In this video, we low-key did a lot. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. We are not in Alaska anymore and it's actually very sad to say. We are in Georgia and we are home, back home, getting all of the stuff that I have here to take to my new place where I'm gonna be living. Dad took apart my bed and then we're gonna put like this stuff into the pod. So this is the pod. If you guys don't know what a pod is, it's like this moving company that you can use for moving, obviously. Just a big little container box thingy, and they come and they deliver it and all that good stuff, and you just load it up and then they deliver it to your next location. No free promo. So pods, send me some coins because I had to tell them about that. That's what we're gonna be putting all this stuff in. So yeah, let's move on to the next thing. What the hell is that ball? Oh, you got a booger on your nose. So we also have this room in here, which has stuff that we're gonna be packing up. I forgot to show you guys this before I started working on what I was working on. But now I'm taking the bed apart with my dad because I need to know how to do it when I get there, because guess what? You don't need no man for nothing, okay? But I was gonna take these wall covers. They're like mirror because they're so cute. They're so cute. But I don't know what type of light switches they have. If they have like the flat ones that you just press, or if they have this kind. I'm probably just gonna have to order some more of these to switch them out. I want this curtain rod because it's really cute for in my room, but we don't know the length of the windows. We don't know the length of the windows. I don't know any measurements or anything like that. All the furniture is out of the room. I have to go take this to Goodwill and then do some stuff in the closet, like put it in this container to go in the attic. All the furniture is out, and I'll show you guys that. So my mom has been putting this stuff in these bags to seal it with the vacuum so we could put it into the pod or into the car. And then all this stuff we're gonna count and get together to put into some bins. We're gonna go to Walmart or something and get some bins and put that stuff in there so we can put it into the pod or into the car. But we have made a lot of progress. I know y'all haven't seen, so I'm gonna show you guys outside what we've done. We have everything here in the pod. My bed, what is this? Box spring, dresser, nightstand, mattress, bed pieces, a mirror, and the headboard. That is all that's been put into the pod so far. But like I said, most of the stuff that I like I'm gonna put in there, we need to get containers and all that good stuff. So I don't know if we're breaking for today or not, because I need a nap, girl. I'm still on Alaska time, so yeah. The next day. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and y'all, I'm so tired, but I'm getting ready to go to Rooms to Go, to Walmart, and probably some other stores. Girl, I'm tired. We have stuff to get done. Yesterday you guys saw us packing up stuff, and we're probably gonna be doing some more of that today, but first we're going to go do some other stuff. Am I the only one who like doesn't care for like a cute part? Like this part is not cute, but when I put it in my claw clip or whatever I plan on doing to it, it still looks good. Like, still looks good to me. Girl, I don't know. I need to do my skincare and brush my teeth. I just got out of the shower.
It's me confiding, seeking and hiding, nowhere to find me. What's it gonna be? What we gonna do? Here we go again. This ain't nothing new. I ain't tryna run game, but it's true, cause you call me for help, you gotta chill. Need time for yourself, you gotta heal. This ain't something you felt.
So I'm trying to find this light bulb, but I can't find it anywhere here. So we might have to go to Home Depot because we're in Lowe's right now. I need the light bulbs for this little thing
ain't going back there.
that I have. That's a D. It's so cute. It's a D.
Yes, but you
and
got there and you hear
my mom be talking real loud. It's a D and it has light bulbs so it lights up, and I want to put that in like my what's it called, front door area. So since I can't find the light bulb, I'm gonna go to Home Depot to find the light bulb because it's so little. So
I'll take blame, but instead of us tearing it down, we'll rearrange, baby. Don't let it fall, girl.
So y'all, the apartment is a studio, and I told my mom like this would be cute for the entryway. She gonna say, can we not do that? Anyway, she always talking about me, talking about you just walk right in, like okay, and
to let me know.
So y'all, we've been in Rooms to Go for like 2.5 hours looking for a couch, and I finally found the one that I want. A lamp, a rug, that's it. Hey y'all, we're in the car because child, I need something to eat. So honestly, it's been a very productive day. We're also gonna go to At Home because I still need to get bar stools for my countertop, and I haven't picked any out, and they didn't have any in Rooms to Go that I like. I'm gonna have to go inside because ain't nobody finna stay in that line. Okay guys, not with that hat on because you look crazy. Okay guys, so we're in At Home and we're looking for bar stools for what's it called, so yeah, we're looking for bar stools and we need to go over there. It's nap time, y'all. It's nap time. The thing about At Home is you can't go online and order something. Nobody needs a nap around here but me.
Tell me, have you ever been so deep? We don't even really know where we are. Never should have felt so lonely, yeah. Always where I wanna be. So touch and go. You touch and go. So far, so close. You came just to make me feel so hide away. Got nothing left to say. Think I can find a way.
Know you're my diamond.
no time, no.
She like them boys with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.